Hello everyone, welcome back to LEXI'S world. Well, today I'm gonna use beets. I have 2 pounds of beets here. I'm gonna peel them, wash them, and I'm gonna boil them, and then I'm gonna use vinegar, and I'm gonna use coconut palm sugar. It's actually really healthy. I'm gonna put the ingredients first. It's like really good. Like, everything is like really 000. So I'm gonna use the coconut palm sugar with vinegar. So I'm gonna use these bottles, and I'm gonna start them the bottle with some coconut palm sugar and vinegar, and let it like marinate, and you can just pick it out and use it like pickles. Alright, so I'm gonna do that while preserving the beets. Alright, so, and also I have my pot on the stove boiling with hot water. So I'm gonna put the beets in, let that boil. I'm gonna use a fork to test it, make sure it's boiled a bit, and then I'm gonna cut them up and stuff them in the bottles. Alright, so let's get started. Before we get started, don't forget to please share, like, subscribe on my channel. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with the beets. I'm gonna peel them, and then I'm gonna Alright, so here's my beets. So I did 4 pounds of beets, alright? Peel them, I'm just gonna rinse them off, and then I'm gonna put them in the water, let it boil for me. So I have my water boiling, I'm just gonna put them in the water, let it boil for me. So, this is the beets, I have it on the stove. So I'm just gonna let it boil for a bit, and then I'll let it cool down, cut them up, and then start my process. Alright? Okay, so I did my beets. It's still a bit hot. This is the leftover type. This is what I got for the water from the beets. Alright, so I'll also use this with some vinegar. The beets is still a bit hot. You should really cool it first. I boiled it for like an hour. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna just cook it. I'm just gonna cut them up, but you should wait till it's cool a bit, alright? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just throw the rest of the this is the water from the beets, okay? I have my cane, the coconut sugar. So let's use this coconut sugar. I mean, yeah, and it's really nice looking. I've never used it before, but I'm gonna use tablespoons. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the cloves and the cinnamon into the bottles. I put a touch of vanilla sugar. Just very much. Just about 2 tablespoons of the coconut palm sugar. So I use 6 tablespoons. I'm just gonna put the cloves and stuff in it. So I just put a bit of cloves. As for the vinegar, I'll just throw the vinegar in the bottles. So these are my bottles, and they have lids and everything. I'll just add a few more of the cloves. So I have my 4 bottles there. And I have white vinegar. I'm going to put 2 cups of white vinegar. Again, this. I may not use all of it. So I have my white vinegar, and I'm just going to put it in. I'm going to just cover it. So basically I just, the vinegar with the water from the beets. So I use the beets, so the water is here. It's going to get a little bit thick. So the beets are pickled. When it's cooled down well, I'll put them in the refrigerator and they can stay there for a long time. Like, I've had it in there for like more than 3 months before. It is considered healthy. Alright, so let's see how it comes out. And you know what, like, okay, so on this also, you see, after I use my beets, I use my beets in my food, whatever I want to eat it in, right? If I'm going to make a salad or whatever. But guess what? You know the vinegar and the water from the beets that's in here, I actually use it as a dressing. Yes, I use it as a dressing. So I'll use the beets and then I'll use a little bit of the vinegar to make just to try my salad or stuff. So I have a dressing. So this is also a dressing. All right. Thank you for watching.